Hello everybody! Today we are playing some more PZ Tower. And this time there's something a little interesting here. I wasn't going to come back to this game, but I was actually told, yeah. There's another playable character. It's the noise. It's the third boss. They made a whole new freaking game mode for this guy. I wonder if his controls will be any different, or if it's just a cosmetic thing. Because I haven't played this game in a while, oh my goodness. Oh, also good news. I bet you noticed that the audio sounds a lot less crappier. I got a new microphone actually, and it's been working really well. This is the first video I'm using it on. Hopefully it doesn't end up crap. Instead of running up walls, Noise will bounce off them with his skateboard. While doing a wall bounce, press X to launch yourself in the direction of a wall in order to bounce again. Oh, hold on. So. Oh, that's cool. And we already saw this. When doing a wall bounce, keep upheld while reaching the ground to boost forward. Oh, like that, okay. I'm not exactly sure I know what I just did, but we'll go with it. Oh my goodness! That's incredibly lazy and like awesome at the same time. Oh my goodness. I've missed this game. Oh, I've missed this so much. This is just an excuse to play this game again. This is awesome. Running over guys with my skateboards. I wonder if the ending is going to be any different. Or if Noise has his own pepper anure. Oh my god, he had a knife! Not the fork guys, Noise did. Oh, my streak! Oh yeah, I actually P-ranked this level. On Pepino's thing. It's the first and last level I will P-rank, I'm telling you that. Listen, frickin' Silk Song. And the Delicate Flower Quest. Isn't there? Yeah, there's an eyeball here. Oh, no! That might be the thumbnail, actually. I don't know, you guys tell me if you like the, a last thumbnail where I do it, or if you like the normal thumbnails I make. Comment down below which one you like better. And in the meantime, I'll be killing these cheese globs. Oh my goodness, I held my momentum. This game is so fast-paced, I love it. You're dead, you're all dead. And it's so nice getting to do a super jump whenever I want. Literally, it's like if Noise was a car, he's just running over everyone. Oh, he's a rocket! Oh, no. Okay. We are alive. Which is more than I could say for most of my miserable failures. I'm super happy with the new microphone though, it's awesome. Now we're just running over John. Goodbye, John. Oh. Oh my god. There's a sign man. I don't remember him from anything. It's probably a part of the boss fight, I just don't remember. Oh, no. Destroy that guy before he can do anything valuable with his life. I got the butter. Yes. This is what I needed most in life. And in death. My favorite, my magnificent butter. Yeah, this guy plays a lot more wackier than Peppino. Somehow feels like he plays even more fast-paced. I don't know if I'm just not remembering Peppino well enough. But he do be smoothing. Oh, no! Stuck in a corner. Just no! You killed my combo, I will kill you! You stupid little cheese thing! You're just a glob! Nobody loves you, you will die! Okay, well that got a little dark, but we made it. Okay, so let me get this straight. The noise is so picky that he doesn't even have anything good to say when I get an A. What happened to Peppino saying very nice? Very nice, I'm Peppino. I forgot there was a guy here. Actually never found all the secrets here. It's like a rat block at one point, but I tried everything with it. I don't know if that rat block is actually a thing. No! My combo! It's getting somewhere. Please don't do it. Yes! Murder! It's the only thing to restore your combo. Please! Oh no, it doesn't reset it, no! Okay, at least they said it was nice. Like that right there, didn't that look out of place? I'm not crazy. Oh, I just realized he's trying to eat a plate of spaghetti. If we remember correctly, there should be a dolphin over here. Oh yeah, there you go. There's a secret, I know. And yeah, that guy was a rat one. So why can't I get to the other one? Oh, I am butchering this secret so hard. No! I didn't make the guy happy. Let me back into your eye hole, you little eye person. Ah, yeah, I know. Oh wait, I just noticed the music actually switches here. Does that mean we're like halfway through the level, I suppose? You're dead. Now the sausage shall join my army in greatness. In life and in death, the sausage shall be with me. Come on, yes! I made it. Could have probably just super jumped, but I wasn't thinking about it at the time, okay? Don't get on my back. I am the Mr. Noise Man. And I almost have an A rank, I swearsies. Wait, no, I almost got, no, I'm not gonna get it. I'm not gonna, no, my combo. It was getting somewhere. My combo, it was getting here. Well, at least the priest respects me. No! Skateboard man! Go back! Yes, okay. Oh, John's here. Okay. Mentally prepare yourself, everybody. Sorry, prepare yourselves. Let's fork this guy up. Oh yeah! Oh, those guys are lucky they avoided it. I will literally eat their kidneys for doing this. For committing this terrible crime. Oh dang, the soundtrack's different here also. No! No, what is wrong with you? You buffoon, I will literally eat you and your family. Okay. We just lost like 15 billion seconds there. But maybe I can still make it before I die. Oh yes. Hello, priest. Hello, good sir. The rat still escapes me. I don't know what to do about that stupid darn rat. But we made it. I wonder if the fighting's going to be any different, because obviously the main mechanics are different, but I wonder if the fighting's different. The noise. Let's get it, man. Versus the pepper. He has a bomb. Oh, what? We have bombs? Is that really... We have bombs now? Is that really how far you go down, Noise? Didn't think you'd stoop that low. But then again, you are on my side, so I don't really care. Ah. Die! You stupid little stupid! No! Oh my goodness, that was like so epic. No! Wait, the bombs turn sad? No, why? I hate you all! Yes, die! And obviously the second phase here. I will kill you! If only Noise could cheese this fight. Noise seems like the type of guy that would cheese these boss fights. Why can't he let me cheese it? This is bad game design here. You should let me cheese the fight. You should let me get an instant win button. Oof. Oh my goodness, my stray guy hit it. Okay, I don't actually know. Dang it, I thought. Oh, wow, you bobbers. This is my chance for gates! Kill! Yes! Oh my goodness, the noise is not gonna be proud of that one. Okay. Yeah, Noise, before you grade me, I just want to say I am very washed, okay? So maybe before giving me a D or a C, please give me Anyways, we did do it, so let's just forget that I did terrible on that boss fight. And instead, let's, be slappy happy that I got better audio.